In this video, we are going to learn how to tune a guitar and using an app called Guitar Tuner. And the screen recording will be on my left. So basically, there are 6 strings, and you can learn them using this rhyme, which is Eddie, 8, Diamond, Goodbye, Eddie. Like initial like this, okay? And the name of the strings, you can see them here, okay? So let's tune the guitar. Basically, we are using an app called Guitar Tuner. You can see the screen over my left position. So we'll start with this string, E string. You can see there's a tick which signifies that the string is already tuned, right? You can also you can move them clockwise and anti-clockwise in order to tune it, right? So see, it's already tuned. So moving on to our next string, it's -2, which means we need to move it a little bit. So tick, which signifies that our B string is tuned. Now next string, it's +2, means we need to lose a little bit. Right, so the tick signifies again it's tuned. E, B, this is our G. Okay, so our next string is D, which is -2. We need to tighten a little bit. Right, so moving on to the next, A string. It is already tuned, but let me lose a little bit to show you. For example, our string is this, so it's -3, which means we need to tighten a little bit. Right, so it's tuned. So the next string is E. Let's loosen a little bit. It's -6, means we need to tighten it. Let's move it to the anti-clockwise. The guitar is tuned. Let's check again. I think it will fluctuate between 0 to 1, but I think it's fine. Okay, now next, lose a little bit. So 0 to 1 will be fine. Next one. Okay, so our strings are properly tuned. It's very important that your guitar is properly tuned, because if it's not tuned, it will not sound good. So it's very important that every time you practice, on daily basis, you tune the guitar. So you can use this app. It's called Guitar Tuner. The link will be in the description, and that's all. Thank you.